everybody, welcome back to Doc's Autos. I am Tim, and today we're still playing Fix My Beamer. We've got the 2007 X3 here, and last clip we were trying to fix the oil leak in this area here, and we replaced the sealer on the filler. That didn't do it, and upon further investigation, I find that there's actually a seal right in here that commonly fails. So that's what we're going to be replacing today, and hopefully that fixes up our issue. We got our L-ring seal here off of FCP Euro. It was about $9, $10, not too bad. So we're going to go ahead and take off. There's 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then pull off the line here for cooler, and then go ahead and replace that seal. So here we go. All right, so here's our bolts, 1, 2, and a third one under here. Go ahead and get those loosened up. Set a couple of shop rags under here just in the event that anything drips out. Minimize spillage on the serpentine belt. So the issue we were having is that oil is coming up from in this seal here and sitting and pooling on top of this little cavity here, and then it would run over the side. It was spraying all over the alternator, down onto the belt, the front of the engine block, and just making a mess. So didn't want it dripping in my garage, more or less anybody else's garage. So after finally figuring out where the issue was coming from, picked up that seal, and we'll go ahead and replace it. And we did just change the oil in this car probably, I don't know, shucks, less than, now driving wise, less than 500 miles ago. So fresh oil, fresh filters. Now we'll go ahead and replace the seal. We'll be all good and cleaned up. So it's definitely going to fit the bill much better. Making sure we've got a good solid seal here, and also you can see it's a brand new seal. It sticks out quite a ways above the plate here. So when we put the other cooler side back on, chiller plate, it'll squish and compress the seal and make a nice new tight fitment between the two pieces here. So pretty simple fix. I'll go ahead and put these bolts back in and fire it up. So there we go, pretty easy fix here. Try and do a little bit more cleanup of my oil. Got most of it picked up, so that's good. So what we'll do is go ahead and end up pressure washing this whole area off. Start with a clean slate. The biggest problem I found was in cooler months when the oil was a little bit thicker, was far more prone to eeping out around that seal. So summertime wasn't such a big problem, but especially now we're in winter, colder months, it was much more prominently leaking out that gasket. So we'll go ahead and fire it up and just double check we don't have any other leaks. And then hopefully that should be good for us. So think this is the last thing we're going to do on the X3 here. Time has come to send her down the road. I do know what the problem is with the transfer case. It is the little friction discs in the transfer case itself. They are not catching anymore, so the servo motor that I've replaced in the past, while it still works, it can't engage those friction discs to span out and engage the front drive line. So we're going to send her down the road, and if I do get time and the car hasn't sold yet, I will fix that and put the price updated accurately to reflect that. But for now, we've got too many other projects going on here, like, you know, kids and family. So we will just send this one down the road, and that'll be it. It's been a great car. Car runs and drives great. Recap, you know, we did the rotors on it. We put Robesto's rust resistant rotors on there. We put in a new set of rear springs. I threw in the BMW factory Bluetooth module for hands-free phone, and I did add a dash mount for your phone and navigation, and Bluetooth receiver for the auxiliary in. So you do have streaming audio from the vehicle, as well as hands-free phone, so that's pretty awesome. Replaced some hood struts, basic general maintenance. The tires on it were pretty much brand new when we got it. They only had about 2,000 miles on it. So those are still excellent condition. The brakes are still, the pads are in good condition. The interior is in great condition. We went ahead and got the WeatherTech floor mats in the front and then back in the cargo area. So, you know, the front is, you know, the interior is clean. It is darn near spotless. The back seats are, you know, beautiful. No rips, no tears. And of course, we've got the cargo area here, another WeatherTech liner. And it even comes with these original security little rollover here, so the little privacy screen, and that's awesome. The 2012 I bought did not have that, and I really do miss it. So we will just keep working through. We'll get this one cleaned up, and away it goes. So again, thank you for watching. If you like this, hit the like and subscribe button below, and tell your friends. Stay safe and have a great day. Bye-bye.